Welcome back. Let's assume that you have an offer that affiliates are going to promote, and you want the affiliate to be credited with a sale that occurs on your download page from their promotion. What you're going to do is go inside of your offer. When you do that, you're going to make sure that you have another offer available that will not be inside of your funnel. So in this case, we are going to create a new page. We're going to give that new page a name, and then we're going to create a separate sales page for that URL. What we're then going to do is save the new page. What you're going to notice then is that when that page saves, you're going to need to add a product. Now, when we add the product, you're going to notice that you now have a product page that's part of the offer, but it's not connected to the funnel. So that means then that even as the buyer goes through your funnel, they will not see this page because it's not connected to your funnel. What we can now do is link to this page on your download page. That means then we'll add the link to the new page on our download page and insert it using our page building system. So when the buyer comes to your download page and they happen to click the link with your new product page, the affiliate will then be credited with that sale, provided that their affiliate link has not been overwritten by another affiliate. One of the things you'll want to be aware of is when the buyer checks out and goes to access their purchase, they are going to see the other offers available to them that you have created. However, because the product you created is within a specific offer, and that what the buyer will see are going to be offers, there should be little danger of the affiliate's link being overwritten. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.